Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Cooking with Chef Ku. My name is Ku Her. Tonight we're going to be cooking and talking about rice. Tonight we're going to be cooking. We're going to be making a dish called Huli Huli chicken. It's going to be served over sticky rice, and we're going to talk about many other types of rice around Asia. So, I first off, let's talk about some rice. How about that? We got short grain rice. We have basmati rice, we have jasmine rice, we have glutinous sticky rice, and we also have some jasmine brown rice. So every rice has its own distinctive flavors, and every rice has its own technique of cooking. So the least glutinous rice would probably be the basmati, and the brown rice would probably have less glutinous. Sticky rice is also known as sushi rice, and it has, I would say, a medium um, uh, amount of glutinous. Jasmine's got a little less than sushi rice or sticky rice. The most glutinous rice is the sticky rice here. So as you can see, large grains, pure white. So tonight we're gonna cook probably 1, 2, 3 different types of rice. But before we get started, I'm gonna go ahead, put this back, and we're gonna focus on Huli Huli chicken tonight. So to get started, I have my marinades. We're gonna make my marinade. It's gonna be brown sugar, garlic, ginger, sriracha, ketchup, a little bit of rice vinegar, pineapple juice, soy sauce, Worcestershire, and some olive oil. So I'll chop my garlic and my ginger, right? About a tablespoon of each. Brown sugar, sriracha, ketchup, pineapple juice, rice vinegar, Worcestershire, and then soy sauce. And then last but not least, olive oil. I want to say magically I have everything marinated, but no, not today. So pour the marinade over. Whenever you're marinating a piece of protein, you want to at least try to get it to marinate at least 4 to 6 hours before you start grilling or searing. Traditionally, I'm gonna make some traditional rice, steamed rice. So how I was taught was make it from scratch. Soak your rice overnight, or at least 4 to 5 hours. Strain it, and basically you want all that starch to strain out. You don't want it to be too starchy. I'm gonna pour my rice right over it. Just gonna let this steam for a good 10-15 minutes, and then after it's steamed, we're gonna blanch the rice and then re-steam it again. So, again, nothing fancy, just a little saute pan, a little water. You do notice I have 2 stacks, right? One, you want to keep the water away from the top. Put this on the bottom. Let that boil. Place this one right on top. Place that over. When I'm using a rice cooker, I'll always do one cup of rice to 1 cup of water. Okay, so a little butter. Turn brown in a little bit. Add my carrots, raisins. Season with a little salt, pepper. And after you sweat your veggies, garlic, onion, seasoning. Throw your seasoning in there, and then stir it. Bring out that aromatic. I'm gonna do 1 cup of rice. So 1.5 cups of veggie stock. I'm gonna add a little chili pepper in here. Spice it up a little bit. We're gonna make like a mango chutney over sticky rice. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to reduce or bring to a simmer some of my coconut milk. A little garlic, a little ginger, onion, I'll just let this simmer. Okay, got coconut, onions, garlic, ginger, green onion, some chilies in there. I got some brown sugar here, about 4 ounces. This jasmine rice is ready for the first part of it. So take this, we'll dump it here. So I steamed it I soaked it, I pre-steamed it, and now I'm blanching with some hot water. Just basically you wanna cook your rice, right? Because if you don't, it's gonna be hard. It's not gonna be. You want your rice to be soft. And my coconut is just about reduce. Strain my rice. Now, let's make our garnish. It's not Hawaiian until you have a pineapple as a garnish, right? So I brought pineapple. You want to start from the top. I would say about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch in between. Just kind of start slicing down. Notice how I slice it at an angle. And now see these dots? These brown dots? Those are your guidance, right? My next cut is kind of cutting away from that. From using the brown dots as my guide, right? So I'm again cutting it into a curve. And South Hill pineapple. Cut it down the middle. Always want to cut on a flat surface. So flat surface. Now I have full control of where I want to cut. I'm gonna do put some rice. This is my sticky rice. Okay, so I got my sticky rice and I got my jasmine rice. Again, cooked traditionally, double blanch and then re-steam. Again, sticky rice. Okay. So again, a little bit of, just, you want to get the pan nice and hot, lay out your pineapple, get it nice and caramelized. And there you go, Huli Huli chicken with 3 different types of rice. We got jasmine rice, we have sticky rice, we have an Indian rice,